everyone. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. And to my potential subscribers, what are you waiting for? There is no other better time to subscribe than now. I will be making beef fried rice today. So to begin, I will season my beef. What we have here is ginger, garlic, onion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm blending all this so that the stock will come out clean. So I added some seasoning powder, bouillon cube, curry powder, bay leaf. I'm not using salt because all this contains some amount of salt. I just poured in the blended the onion, ginger, and all that. So I will cover to cook for about 7 minutes or 10 minutes before I'll add some water. So this is 10 minutes after. I'm adding some more water to allow the beef cook properly. It has to be soft. Now the beef is tender, so I will remove them from the stock to fry. While this is happening, as in while this was cooking, I washed my rice. I prepared the veggies. As you can see, my carrots, spring onion, green beans, green pepper, green bell pepper, onion, green peas, sweet, everything. So this is spring onion and rice called bonnet. I'm going to blend. I like the flavor and the color it gives to my fried rice. Can you see how how the color is coloring? So at this point I will adjust the seasoning. I added more seasoning powder. I'm adding some salt. Now my washed rice. I soaked this rice in hot water because this particular rice is so strong. So if your rice is not that is not very strong, you don't need to soak it in hot water. You don't need to parboil. Just use cold water to wash till the water runs clear. Mix up everything. I just added some hot water. Please don't use cold water. Like after mixing it up, add hot water so that the temperature will not go down, like it will not drop. It will peak from there and start boiling. And don't add too much water. At least maintain this level. I'll cover to cook. So on the other side, I'm already frying the beef. So I reduced the oil I used in frying the beef. I'm not using everything. I just reduced it. I went in with some salt and onion. I'll saute the onion for like a minute. I just went in with the green beans and green bell pepper. You can still add the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper. I'm seasoning the veggies now. I just added little bouillon cube. You can go ahead to add extra seasonings, like you can add chopped ginger and garlic or crushed ginger and garlic. You can add um curry powder, whatever you wish to season your veggies with. I'm adding the kidney beans now. Just added the carrots. I noticed as in it was getting dry. I had to add more oil from the same oil that I used to fry the meat. My sweet corn just went in. Please guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe, hit the like button, drop your comment, and please share this video. Share. So the last thing I added was the peas, the green peas. Please, you don't need to fry these veggies for a long time. It was just within 3 minutes, as in I was done with all this. Yes, 3 minutes. And it is ready. I'm trying to reduce as I'm trying to divide it in two. I'm doing this because the rice, I won't be able to stir fry the rice, at all at once. I'll do it in two batches. So I'll use the remaining veggies for the second one. Guys, this my fried rice. Was so good. Like, it tasted so good. I'm adding more of the veggies because the one remaining in the pot, the rice remaining in the pot is not that much. So I'm taking more veggies from the plate. I'm adding the spring onion at last, just for freshness. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to share. I love you all. I love you. Bye bye.